It's air. It's a wind gas.
Yes, it's gas.
Also.
Yeah. Are you gonna make a sun with a race or windy with a kite? Make a kite and fly with the sun?
Hello and welcome to another day in the life of a mom in the Philippines. Today is a very rainy day here in Baguio City, but we still have to continue with our homeschooling and gardening task for today. I'm so lucky to have our garden just in front of our homeschooling room. So right now I'm going to put the zebrinas in a pot na pwede siyang mag-trail down, and I'm gonna put this as a hanging plant instead of sa dati niyang pot na I cannot sabit-sabit sa ating garden. So now it's here and I'm going to repot 2 of them. As it is raining, I am using the rainwater na nandito sa ating rain collection system na ginawa ni Dada for us. So we could collect rainwater to water the plants. Kasi sabi nila rainwater is so much better kesa sa tap water when you water the plants. Right now, I'm just putting the chain on this pot, and as you can see, my pwesto here in the gardening room is just in front of the homeschooling room, so I can see what the kids are doing, the activities that they are doing while I am doing my repotting at the same time. And kanina you can see turo din ako while I was doing repotting. That's me giving instructions to them. But this is our beautiful zebrina plant. I love its foliage and its backside ng leaves na very violet. This is actually good for shade area and ayaw niya ng direct sun. It can trail and it will also climb up. So, nag-thrive siya sa area na partly shade, partly sunny, and also just water pag yung pot niya is dry na. Ayan, ilagay na natin siya sa taas kasi alam niyo na I love hanging plants, and for today, I'm looking forward to add more hanging plant collection in our rooftop garden. And this is a plant that I potted earlier today. I put a pole in the middle of it. This is a Burble Marx variegated plant. It's 2 plants in one, and nilagyan ko ng moss ball sa gitna so it can train to climb up habang baby pa siya. And I saw a lot of philodendron plants na nakalagay sa hanging pots, and they're so beautiful. Kaya I'm experimenting with this one and also putting this up here sa ating mga hanging plants in the garden. Now that we have collected some rainwater, I put it in a basin or planggana to bottom water the plants so that they could just get the water that they need per plant, not overwater them. And also good if you're experiencing fungus gnats pets para walang area na moist for them to lay their eggs in. It's the best way to prevent them.
Very good. Together it's put up the means pad. How about this? Now read this one. Very good. Together. Again. Good job! It's sad! You thought it was dad? Dad. Very good. What is it? Again? You're teasing me. What is L? A. Lad. Lad. Yeah. What are you doing? Oh, so good. Yeah, show me what you did. Show me to the video. What you did. You did sunny day? Show me. Point at it.
Sunny day and rainy day.
Sunny day and rainy day. And what is that?
Day.
Windy day. Yay! Good job. Kite day! It's a kite day.
And since it's maulan nga dito sa Baguio, we are doing some weather activities sa mga bata today. Yun yung maganda sa homeschool kasi you can tailor your lessons kung ano yung nangyayari in your daily life.
So the highlight of my gardening journey is whenever there's a new leaf na naga-unfurl, that's like the highlight of my day. So ngayon, I'm gonna show you the different leaves unfurling for me right now para ma-enjoy nyo rin ang joy ng gardening. Tara! So right now, our new babies are these. Ito, kakabukas lang niya. Oh, kakabukas lang ng kanyang baby. And also here, binabatam water ko sila para hindi sila ma-fungus nuts. Look at that really cute cutie pie. And this one, it's finally opened. Our new unfurled leaf na mayo ay ang ganda niya, guwapo kayo. Yellow. And here we have a new one as well. Bigay to ni Nanay Tachi. Thank you, Nanay Tachi, if you're watching. He is thriving. So pretty. Ayan. Also, another beautiful gift given to me by Nurse Rod. Ayan. Rodney, thank you so much. Ang kanyang variegated alocasia. Look at that, oh. Palabas pa lang siya. Ang ganda ng bagong leaf. Variegated na variegated. I can't wait to see you in full bloom. So excited. I'm still on the watch for this splendid. Ayun. Yan yung kanyang bagong leaf na lalabas pa rin bud. And ito si Standelaria monstera. He's been blooming for me for some time. May bago ulit siya. And si Mexicana, may bago din siyang baby. Naputol ko nga lang to, kaya ganyan. And over here, let's look. We have a new leaf on the Orlando bloom. Orlando bloom. Aglonema natin. May bago siya. Ayaw niya binabasa. Actually, aglonema gusto nilang fully dry bago mo sila i-water ulit. And ito, nag-open na yung isa nating micans. Philodendron micans. So, look at that beauty. Nagbubukas pa siya. Naglalaki pa siya. Kaya ganyan. Ganda talaga ng velvet ito. And ayan si Gloriosum. Nakuha niyo na yan nakita niyo na yan last time. Pero may bago siyang baby doon. So cute. And strawberry is ready for the picking. Pwede na to sa ating yogurt mamaya. And ito, another one is this leaf, Jose Bueno. And also when my plants flower, sobrang tuwa din ako. Ayan o, mga begonia natin, they're flowering right now. And also ito yung mga new leaf na ating propagation. Nilagay ko na siya sa lupa from water. Ayan. And so far for today.
Now that we are done, let me show you the damage, aka the kalat that we have to clean up after gardening. And also, after full day of homeschooling the kids, ito na po ang kanilang kalat. So now we're going to hyperlapse mode and clean up. here is the clean finished result. I'm so lucky that my kids help me to clean up whatever capacity they can. And this is the cleaned up version of garden. I'm so happy we have new additional hanging plants for today. And we can now have our snacks here. And a few minutes later, Dada came up to me and catch up with me after the end of our workday. And just when I thought I was set for the day, I was given the shock of my life. Oh well, I guess I have to clean up all over again.